Hey everyone, today I will show you how to log in with Discord token. First of all, you need to obtain your Discord token. This is done through the Discord developer portal or by inspecting your Discord application in the browser. Be careful, never share your token with anyone as it grants full access to your account. Next, open your preferred Discord client or a web browser. Make sure you are not logged in to any Discord account for this process. In your web browser, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I or right click and select Inspect. To open the developer tools, navigate to the console tab. Type the following command in the console. Finally, refresh the Discord page. You should be logged in automatically with your token. Remember to use this method responsibly and avoid sharing your token. And that's it, you have successfully logged in to your Discord using your token. Thanks for watching.